The Philippines is filled with creatives. We are abundant in filmmakers, artists, dancers, and architects. These people help keep the Filipino culture alive and contribute to our Filipino heritage. In order to support them, the National Commission for Culture and the Arts is giving out grants through the National Endowment Fund for Culture and Arts, or NEFCA.
The NCCA has its endowment fund, which is used by the Commission to provide funds for outstanding projects on culture and the arts, which can be availed by artists, cultural workers, by local government units, and civil society organizations.
These grants would fund proposals for various projects such as film festivals, dance workshops, literary research, art dissemination, and museum enhancements, all for the incoming year 2019.
We're inviting the public to submit their applications, their proposals to NCCA, proposals that deal with literature, performing arts, documentation, researches, publications, enhancement of cultural institutions, to submit their proposals on July 31, 2018. We are looking forward to your submissions so we can help promote Philippine culture and arts.
The proposals are due by July 31, 2018 and will compete with other proposals nationwide.
By December of this year, the proponents will be notified if the proposals were approved or disapproved, and then the memorandum of agreement to execute the project will be given on January of 2019.
The NCCA calls for proposals yearly, so if you miss this year's deadline, you can still prepare proposals for next year. For submission forms, requirements, and procedures, you may check the NCCA website at www.ncca.gov.ph or visit their various social media at NCCA Official. For MyTV Cebu, this has been Raya de Guzman.